In this video, I'm going to show you how to use FxPro to trade. So the first thing you have to do, you want to go on their official website, which is FxPro.com, and you want to register for an account up here, and then just have to put in the info and click on register down here. Now, after you do that, you'll be able to get the access to FxPro Direct, which is basically their dashboard here, where you have to create your trading account. So of course, if you want to know how to do this, you can watch my tutorial on that on my channel, or you could just click on create account over here and go through yourself. It's actually very simple. So to actually use FxPro to trade, after you have your account set up, click on the trade button next to it. And then of course you can go ahead and use either MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. So depending on which account you actually chose, so the platform, you'll be able to download it for Windows or for Mac, either MT4 or MT5, or you could just use their FxPro web terminal, which is the easiest and the quickest to set up. And I'm going to actually use this right now. Now, after you do this here, after you click on this button, it's going to take you to FxPro Edge, which is actually their platform, their web trader. You have to select your account here. I'm going to pick this demo one. There we go. And then to use this to actually trade, you have a few different options. You could go ahead and click on this plus button here to create a new order. You then have to select your instrument like this, and then you'll be able to place your market, limit, or stop order over here, either buy or sell, however you want to do it, the volume, the stop loss, and the take profit if you want to as well. And then you can just basically place a buy or sell order. So that's the first way you can do it. The second one is by basically clicking this plus button, going over watch lists and opening up the favorites, and then you can add different things inside your favorites like this, and then you could just quickly buy and sell them over here, and therefore basically trade inside your favorites watch list. Okay, so that's the second way. And the third way, if you prefer trading on chart like me, you could just basically put your chart full screen. You could use the quick buy and sell up here, where you can select how much you want to buy, and then just click on buy and sell like this, as you can see, very quickly and easily. Or you could click on this button here, which kind of will basically create a new order, and then you can go ahead, select market, limit, or stop, again, as we've seen earlier, and then you can execute the orders, either buys or sells, in here via click of this button. So that's how to do it. That's how to use FxPro to trade. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.